In this video, let's take a look at adding point symbols to the legend automatically. I've added a legend to this drawing, and if you look at my monuments, they're all this found 5/8 rebar with the yellow plastic cap. But let's say that the monument over here in the southeast corner was a 1-inch iron pipe that we found, not a 5/8 rebar. And that was a monument of record. So we're going to change the monument on the drawing, and then we're going to make sure that gets added to the legend. Now, I'm going to come into this southeast corner here. I'm going to put the cursor over the symbol. I'm going to right click and go to properties. And I'm going to tell Traverse PC I didn't find a pin. What I found was an iron pipe. So let's see if we can find that iron pipe in here. Okay, right here. So I'm going to say I found an iron pipe. I can specify the size of it. Okay, however I want to do that. And as soon as I choose OK, I'm now drawing an iron pipe for this monument, but I want you to see what happened with my legend. Do you see how that got added automatically? Because that's the monument that I used. That happened because this legend is set to automatic. So watch what happens when I go back up to that monument and I tell Traverse PC to reset modified attributes, which will set it back to the monument declared by the Traverse drawing settings. See how it gets redrawn, the same as the other monuments in the Traverse, and also gets removed from the legend because I'm no longer using that particular symbol anywhere in the drawing. Let's go back and kind of repeat those steps. I want you to see how that works. So I'm going to come back in and choose iron pipe here, not the color, I want the monument. And Traverse PC is going to add that automatically. Why did it do that? Well, let's go to the properties of the legend and take a look. Our legend says to use automatic point symbols. Because this is checked, Traverse PC searches the drawing for any monuments or symbols that you've used and automatically adds them to the legend. That's how I got this iron pipe in here. And now I can simply come in and right-click that, go to Properties, and I can say what I found. I found a 1-inch iron pipe. And I can say of record or whatever I want. I'm just going to say found a 1-inch iron pipe. And then I can come in and say, you know, I want that one to be up here on the top, and I want the found 5-inch rebar to be down below. That's fine too. So I can mix and match, kind of move those around however I want.